Hi guys, so the next part of the bird that we cut, we've got the breast. So we've got one breast set aside there, which I'm going to do something different with in a moment. This one is so big, we're going to do like a stroganoff, like a chicken stroganoff. This is enough to feed 2 or 3 people if you do a nice savoury rice with it. So what we've got is a pan on the stove. I'm just going to drop a little bit of butter in it, salted butter. Tiny bit of olive oil. You need to put the olive oil in because it will burn, okay? And we don't want it to burn. On the plate I've got some sliced mushrooms, sliced onion, fresh garlic. We've got some rock salt, paprika, mixed herbs and a bit of vegetable stock, okay? So what we're doing is heating up this pan and we're just going to pop the mushrooms, the onions and the garlic in there just to sweat off. By sweating off, all I want it to do is just lightly soften and go slightly golden brown, not too brown. So we just get that on, turn it up slightly. I don't know whether my fantastic camera lady wants to come around here where you can see it. We need to hear the sizzle. So we're just going to sweat that off now. And then I'm going to come back and actually cut the breast. So what we're going to do is, you just get your finger underneath and lift that skin off. If you're a skin person and love it crispy, if you lay that out flat on a baking tray, and put it in the oven for 20 minutes, you'll get little chicken cracklings, which is beautiful. So the breast comes with a fillet underneath, and obviously the chunky bit. So we're just going to rip the fillet off. That's the fillet, yeah? They're really nice if we panko them and deep fry them, but we're going to use it actually in the stroganoff. So we're just literally doing very thin slices, okay? Get the side bit off, and then we're going to go in sideways because obviously the chicken's quite thick there. So we're just literally cutting this down. Perfect. And then cut the fillet just into 3. It's very soft the fillet, so it cooks really quickly. Okay, so there's our chicken ready, okay? We're going to come back to the pan. And it's smelling delicious. So that's all really nice. I'm just going to lean behind. We're going to drop a little bit of sea salt in there. Don't need too much because we're going to use the bouillon and we don't want to overpower it. Paprika gives it a nice colour. Mixed herbs, or you can use fresh herbs, it's fine. Obviously, just put your couple of bouillon cubes in. Gives it a really enhanced flavour. Stir it all in. Is it smelling good? Lovely. Smelling lovely. Okay. So now we're going to add the chicken. And if you've noticed, the herbs and the paprika have dried the oil up. So you haven't got it swimming in oil, which is really good. Just put the chicken in. Yeah. Another quick stir. Just going to let that seal off. By sealing off, when the chicken goes white on the edges, then it's sealing off, okay? So when all the chicken's white, it's sealed, which is what we want. Now to help it on its way, stand back because we're going to flame. We're going to flame it with a little bit of brandy, which is really traditional in the stroganoff. Fire. Beautiful. All the alcohol burns off, so there's no actual alcohol left in the pan, but it looks good. So it's all looking good. As you can see, the chicken now is sealing, which is beautiful. I'm going to get my cream. We're just adding double cream to this. This is a really naughty recipe. Only a little bit. But we like cream in this family. So we've got the cream in. All the flavours are there. They're all going to come into the cream now. We're going to hubble bubble it, bring it to the boil, and then we're going to let it simmer. Again, I'll show you at the very end all the 6 dishes together.